SS Entertainment Independence Day Special 2020 da adom utaram okchari. Ing sok lising amaga chanipan yangkhai taret 1857 gi May gi tang tara Indian Rebellion of 1857 India gi ahanbu oina Independence War hauki.
Numit taba leite hainariba British Empire gi mayokta thengkhang kayarak lan thengnarak matung Bharat Bashi singna khawrang na ngaijarakhiba ningtam numit ado
Ing kumza lising amaga chamapan nifu taret 1947 gi August tang tara mari amadi tara manga gi lonaba ahingdu gi mikup tuna purakhi. Matam sangna mikha ponduna leiruraba matung English amaga chamapan nifu taret 1947 gi August ki tang taramanga numit asidagidi machu ahungi firalna masek mangal ga loinana Bharat ki numudol atyada maning tamna paikhi
Matam kuina ningjaraklaba mangan ado mangphaunaraklaba mikup aduda jati gi mapani hainariba Mahatma Gandhi na asumna haiki
The day a woman can walk freely on the road at night, the day we can say that India has achieved independence.
Ariubba nupi amana namidangi matamda lambi sorokta maningtamna chatpa ngamaklaba kanda matamduda koigi India asi maningtamne lawgani.
Mikup aduda Bharat ki ihan hanba Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru na asumna haiki.
Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country.
Laibak asina nanggidamak kari tawire khak hanglunu nang nasana laibak asigidamak kari tawjoge nasana hangjaw.
Malim gi Mahakavi ni hainariba Bharat ki Rabindranath Tagore na asumna hairami.
The highest education is that which does not merely give us information but makes our life in harmony with all existence.
Awang bathaki mahai tamlibasing asi supna tangi larik aduda yauriba khara khak adu tambanate. Isana isabu iromda leptaduna nungaina hinnaba punsi ama puraknabani haiba kaugani.
Mahapurush oiraba Swami Vivekananda nasu asumna haiki.
Let new India arise out of peasants' quarters, grasping the plough, out of huts, cobbler and sweeper.
Anauba India amagi saklona lakpasida tumduna lairamba lairaba laumising sampot khoiduna lairibasing asi nongmagi chara taliba khungup semba mujising amadi waishit waitayriba makhoising asi haudoktuna chawkhatpa India ama ohelasi.
Nupi lagtagi athoibi Bharat ki ahanba nupi Prime Minister oibirambi Indira Gandhi na asumna hairami.
Even if I died in the service of the nation, I would be proud of it. Every drop of my blood will contribute to the growth of this nation and to make it strong and dynamic.
Aina iraiba asigidamak thawaina pontha pikhrabadi maduda ai isana isabu chawthokjagani aigi hakchangda cheliba igi iri khudingmak izati asigidamak kathokani mapanga kallaba chawkhalaba leibak ama puraknabagidamak
ngasi Englishing ani kungi August ki tang tramanga 15 August 2020 India gi Humdramni Suba 74th Independence Day na lakpasida SS Entertainment gi maikaidagi yaipa paujel pijari
Aroibada machu ahumna leitengeiba Indian National Flag pu Derina Sarungbamna magi thamoigi oiba wahaina asumna saithari aikhoi punna taminasi.
The tricolor, impressing the universe, our tricolor flying high, always giving strength to us, nectar of love sprinkle upon us, pouring happiness to the heroes, heart and soul of Mother India. Our tricolor flying high, impressing the universe. Our tricolor flying high. We should not let down our tricolor, even if we sacrifice our life. Let's show victory to all. We should give the promise, impressing the universe, impressing the universe. Thank you.